Hello friends, welcome to WP Expert channel, and I hope you are doing good. And last video I have shared my two last video and with set up the WordPress and overview of WordPress. Okay, so I hope these video will be beneficial for you. If you have not watched the video, if you have missed the my last video, then I will provide the link of my last video in video description box, so you can easily find this. Okay, so today's the session day is 3. Okay, so and today we are going to cover the topics on WordPress. Okay, this was my first day session. Okay, in first day session I have given the overview of WordPress and what explain all the lesson summary that we will cover in this session. Okay, and I have given the overview on WordPress, and last video was on PHP development environment software. I have explained to how to install the PHP development environment software like BAMP or JAMP on your local computer and how you can use it. Okay, so hope the video my last video was beneficial for you, and you have set up the PHP local environment software BAMP or JAMP anyone on your local computer, and you will ready to set up the install WordPress. Okay. So these are today topic, install WordPress on local computer. So today topic is very important topic for the WordPress learner, because in this topic we are going to explain all the steps from where you can download the WordPress and how you can set up the WordPress with local environment software. Okay, and I will overview the PHP admin, and I will let you know how you can set up the database on your local computer. Okay, and what is the main general requirement of the database. Okay, and how you can install the WordPress. Okay, so these topic we will cover today. So guys, before install start the today lesson, I want to let you know if you have any query, any question related to WordPress, and then you can leave your comment or suggestions in video comment box. And please subscribe to our channel to get the coming video lessons on WordPress, and to get the some more video, useful video regarding website or any other CMS as well. So click on bell button to get the notification about our new video, and you can share my video with your friends who want to learn WordPress. And let's start today session. So first, as per my session today, we are let me show you where you can download the WordPress. Okay, so to download the WordPress, you will need to visit WordPress official website wordpress.org. Okay, wordpress.org. You have need to browse the WordPress official website to download the WordPress, and then you can get the latest WordPress via click on Get WordPress. Okay, so here you can see this is the latest version of WordPress 5.4.2. Okay, as WordPress regularly basis release their version, so you have also need to make up to date your website, WordPress website, to make it more secure and up to date with WordPress latest version. Okay, so you can download the WordPress by click on download WordPress button. Okay, so once you will click on download WordPress, it will be download the WordPress zip file. Okay, and you will require to copy that zip file into your root directory, localhost root directory. So as I am using the Linux server, okay, so I have already download the zip file here, and I have extract the zip folder in this file. Okay, so here these are the my WordPress files. Okay, so In same way you can also download and extract the folders in your root directory. If you are using the XAMPP, in that case you will require to copy the WordPress folder and paste it in htdocs folder. Okay, and if you are using BAMP, in that case you will require to paste it in www folder. Okay, so you can do it. I hope you can do it very easily, because this is not a big task. You can download WordPress and extract the file folder and move it into your root directory. Okay, so let's start to run the setup web browser URL. Okay, so as I have installed the WordPress in my folder here, so let me show you. So to start the setup, you have first need to click on localhost and type the WordPress folder. Okay, so after click on this, you will see this information. Okay, so guys, I want to let you know, before the start setup, you must have need to start your XAMPP server, or if you are using BAMP, then you have need to start your BAMP server before browse the before start the setup on browser. Okay, so you start your XAMPP server or BAMP server. If you are using XAMPP, then you have need to start your Apache and MySQL server. Okay, because we will require to Apache and MySQL to set up the WordPress. So if you are using BAMP, then just click on BAMP and icon on your desktop, and it will be show you as a green signal to ready to use WordPress. Okay, so start your BAMP and XAMPP and then browse the URL. Okay, so in that case you will see the same first steps. This is the first step of the WordPress to set up on your local computer. Okay, and here you can see welcome to the WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information of database. Okay, so to before start the process, you will require to create a database from your local system. Okay, so let me show you how you can create the database from your local computer. So to create the local computer database on your local computer, you have need to type the URL here, localhost and phpMyAdmin. Okay, so once you will type the phpMyAdmin, it will redirect to your login screen of the phpMyAdmin. Okay, so as you are using XAMPP or BAMP, in that case you have no need to put the password. Just leave the blank password value and add the username as root and click on go button. Okay, so you will able to log in into phpMyAdmin. So as here I have set the my root password, so that's why it's asking to provide the password. So let me save it. Okay, here you can see my password has been successfully logged into MySQL databases. Okay, so here I am going to create a new database. Okay, so basically phpMyAdmin play a very important role to connection between the data and your PHP server. Okay, so Apache server and MySQL server. So phpMyAdmin, here you can manage the all the database that you have created for your website. Okay, so every website should be have a unique database. So let me show you how you can create the database and what is the main view. So here I am going to database wp54. Okay, so you have just need to click on the new database. Okay, and then you will automatically redirect to database. Okay, so my database has successfully created. Okay, now I can process the setup here. Okay, so in same way you have also need to database on your local computer before you set up the WordPress. So I have created the database here. My database name is wp542 and let's go. Okay, so once you will click on let's go button, you will see the second steps. Here you need to define the your database information that you have already created from phpMyAdmin. Okay, so my database username was wp542 and okay, and my database username was root, and as my setup the password my database is password there at 123. Okay, so if you are using the XAMPP or BAMP, in that case you have need to leave the blank password here. Okay, so you have need to fill these all information only. Username you have need to basically you have will require only to define the database name here. Okay, so let's start to process the setup. This is as I have set my password for phpMyAdmin, so that's why I need to put a password here. Okay, so these are the basic settings to of the database connection between the WordPress files and phpMyAdmin. Okay, so let me start here. Yes, my steps. This is my third step basically. So my file is successfully created. Config file is successfully created in WordPress directory, and now I can set up the last steps. So this is my last steps. Okay, here you will require to fill your website related information, like I am using this for WordPress demo, and this is the username. This is the username basically to access your WordPress admin. Okay, so here you can use any username that you want, but I will suggest you to use any secure password here, secure username here, because after set up the WordPress you will not able to change the username from WordPress admin. You can change the password from WordPress admin, but you can't change the username from WordPress. Okay, so you will require to. So here I am going to use my username is myadmin. Okay, so you as per your choice you can choose any other username here. So try to choose the username as secure username. Okay, so here as I am going to set up on my local computer, so I am going to use the big password, and you will after go live the site you need to change the password to any secure password. Okay, otherwise if you will use the big password on your live site, in that case the hacking chances of your WordPress admin will be more. So to remove the hacking chances of your WordPress admin, you must have need to use the secure username and secure password as well. Okay, and here you will require to insert your email id. Okay, and you can change this email id from admin as well. So here I am going to just copy gmail.com. Okay, and last settings is to search engine visibility. Okay, this is the important, because if you are going to set up on WordPress on your staging server or on your local computer, in that case you have need to check this box, because if you will not check this box, in that case your staging server or your local computer site will be visible in Google search engine. Okay, so to exclude the search engine till complete the website, to go live the website, you have need to check this box. Okay, so I will see you in next coming video from where you can update the uncheck the search settings. Okay, so you have need to check this box to not indexing your web, to not do not allow the indexing of your website. Okay, so these are the basic settings, and it can take only few seconds or minutes only, as WordPress is a lightweighted CMS, so it will not take more time. Yes, my setup has been successfully completed and WordPress has installed. Okay, so now I can log in into my admin. Okay, so let me my admin was username was my admin. Okay, and I will choose the password, my password that 123, and let me log in. Yes, you have done it. Okay, so these are the basic steps that you need to follow to set up the WordPress on your local computer. My WordPress has been successfully installed on my local computer. Okay, so let me show you the front end. Okay, this is the front end of the my website. So you guys, you can see these are the some few steps that you need to follow the to set up the WordPress on your local computer. So to set up the WordPress on your local computer, you have no need to do much more knowledge about coding of the WordPress or any technical knowledge as well. Okay, so you can easily install the WordPress on your local computer. Just follow my all steps that I have explained in this video, and I hope my video will be beneficial for you, and you can easily install the WordPress on your local computer. Okay. So that's it guys, the I have covered all the topics. Download the WordPress. I have show you from where you can download the WordPress. I have given the some steps to set up the WordPress with local environment. I have given the overview of PHPMyAdmin as well. Okay, and I have show you how you can set up the database on your local computer as well, and I have show you all the steps to install the WordPress on your local computer. Okay, so guys, I hope you will like my video and you will able to install the WordPress on your computer, local computer, and you will be ready to our next session. And if you will have any query or any question related to installation of WordPress or any other, then you can leave your comment in video comment box, and I will try to give your answer as soon as possible. And please do not forget to subscribe our channel to get coming lesson video on WordPress, and click on the bell button to get my latest video on WordPress and other CMS information as well. Okay. So guys, that's it for today, and you can also share our videos or our channel with your friends who want to learn WordPress. If you have any suggestion, then you can also leave your suggestion and video comment box, and I will try to implement your suggestion in next video. So that's it guys, and enough for today. I will back again with next video, and let me give little idea in coming video. Okay, so this will be the our next session topic, start but working with WordPress. Okay, so in coming video I will explain all the settings of admin. Okay, and overview of the WordPress admin settings, theme settings, plugin, media, page, post or widget menu. Okay, so the next session will be very important for you, because I will cover all the settings of the WordPress from admin, how you can manage the setting of the WordPress, how you can create the how you can manage the category, post, plugins, themes, and how you can manage the widget menu as well. Okay, so I will cover these all the topics in coming video. And so guys, stay tuned with our WP expert channel, and comment, subscribe to our channel to get the new video on WordPress lesson. So that's it guys, bye, take care.